Sony ZV-E10 is another highlight on the current market, a top choice for beginner videographers in 2025. This camera is a game changer for creators aiming to produce stunning content with ease. It boasts a 24MP APS-C sensor that captures vibrant images and records in crisp 4K. The fully articulated touchscreen makes it perfect for selfies and vlogging, letting you frame shots effortlessly. The ZV-E10 shines with its cinema picture profiles, offering 10 distinct looks to give your videos a cinematic flair. Its standout features include headphone and microphone ports, essential for capturing clear audio, and a variety of accessories for a smooth shooting experience. While the ZV-1 had a smaller sensor, the ZV-E10 features a larger 24.2 MP APS-C sensor similar to the one in the Sony Alpha A6000 series. This means better image quality and dynamic range, particularly in low light settings. With video capabilities of 4K at 30p and Full HD at up to 120 FPS, this camera allows for a range of creative filming options. For still photography, it offers 24.2 effective megapixels, producing sharp photos at up to 6,000 by 4,000 pixels. The 3-inch OLED touchscreen with 921,600 dots is bright and clear with adjustable settings including a sun mode for outdoor shooting. Equipped with a hybrid autofocus system with 425 points, the ZV-E10 combines phase and contrast detection for fast, precise focusing. This makes it easier to capture sharp, in-focus shots whether you're filming yourself or the world around you. Designed with vloggers in mind, the Sony ZV-E10 offers impressive features in a user-friendly package, perfect for beginners ready to dive into video creation. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.